How many number of districts are initially selected from the states under the Intensive Area Development Program 1960? So the correct answer is 7 districts from 7 states. As per the recommendation of the expert team, the Government of India introduced a rigorous development program in 7 districts selected from the 7 states in the year 1960. The program was termed as IADP, Intensive Area Development Program. In this question, we have to put these models in chronological order. So first came the Harrod-Domer model, then Schumpeter's model, then Rostow's model, then Solo's model. What is the maximum penalty to be imposed under the Negotiable Instrument Act for bouncing a check? So the correct answer is 2 years. The offences under section 138 and 143 of the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881 are also proposed to be decriminalized. Initially, the only remedy in case of dishonor of check was to file a civil suit. However, civil suits normally drag for years in the court and also do not provide the requisite deterrent. Hence, dishonor of check was made an offence in the year 1988. With the insertion of Chapter 17 in the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881, the person issuing the dishonored check can be punished with the imprisonment up to 2 years or with fine, which may extend to twice the amount of the check or with both. Next question. Account payee crossing is defined in which section of the Negotiable Instrument Act? It is defined under section 123. According to section 123 of the Negotiable Instrument Act, henceforth referred to as the NI Act, where a check bears across its face an addition of the words and company or any abbreviation thereof between two parallel transverse lines or two parallel transverse lines simply, either with or without the words not negotiable, that addition shall be deemed a crossing and the check shall be deemed to be crossed generally. We have to match the following. Laffer curves measures the relationship between the increase in tax rate and tax revenue. Deadweight laws controlling prices through effective price ceiling and a price floor. Game theory, dominant strategy comes in that. Coase theorem, effectiveness in the private market in dealing with externalities. Next question is assertion reason. Assertion. Compared to a certain point on the contract curve, a point above the contract curve is efficient. The reason. The contract curve represents the locus of points where the marginal rate of substitution between two goods is the same for both the individuals. Contract curve is a point where the slope of both the parties becomes equal. So you won't get more efficiency than that point. So the assertion is not correct. In reason, it is itself saying that MRS between two goods is same. So it is correct. Answer D is correct. Assertion is not correct, but the reason is correct. Contract curve is a set of Pareto efficient allocations in an economy. Every point on this curve maximizes one person's utility given the other, and they are characterized by the tangencies in the I-sequence. Next question. Growth rate of population is, option A is correct, the rate at which population increases per 1000 annum.